In this video, I'll guide you on using your Affirm physical card. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first things first, expect your physical Affirm card to arrive approximately 7 to 10 days after creating your account. So if you successfully laid your hands on an Affirm physical card, then let me give you the lowdown on how to make the most of it. So let's say your shiny new cards arrive in the mail. Now it's activation time. So grab your phone and open up the Affirm app and head over to the card tab and spot the settings gear icon up in the top right and give that a tap. Now look for activate physical card and just simply tap on it. Now they will ask for a little information to make it official. So go ahead and punch in the last 4 digits of your card number and the 3-digit CVV, and once you've done that, your card is officially ready to roll. So just like that, you're all set. Now feel free to take your activated physical card on a shopping spree. Use it for purchases wherever the card network like Visa or MasterCard is accepted. Now that your card is in action, it's a good idea to stay in the loop, keep tabs on your transaction, and make it a habit to check your statements regularly. Affirm often provides a handy online portal or a mobile app where you can easily manage all your card activity. Stay organized and you're good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.